Getting in and out of your truck or accessing your truck bed shouldn't be hard. But with DeeZee's hex bed access steps, you won't have any trouble. The Hex Series side steps span from wheel to wheel and have 3 drop steps per side. This gives access to the front and rear doors, as well as a step to help access your truck bed. The design of the steps matches the styling of the DeeZee truck rack with a hexagonal design, which stands out from the traditional round bar side steps. The bars are made from extruded aluminum, giving the steps a lightweight while still being able to safely hold 350 pounds. The step itself is made from cast aluminum and have a good step area for more secure footing in all weather conditions. Both the bars and the steps are coated with a texture black powder coat finish to protect from road grime, dirt, and other road debris. The step bars are made to fit tightly to the rocker panel to give a sleek look while remaining rugged and tough. There are 3 universal lengths to choose from: 94, 102, and 112 inches, which gives you many options for your truck. What sets these steps apart is that they were built for a customized step experience. Unlike most drop steps that have stationary steps connected to the bar, the Hex Series steps are adjustable. You can move the drop step by loosening the bolts connecting the step to the bar, then slide the step to the desired placement on the bar. And to make the package even better, they've included this 3rd step to act as a bed access point to help reach into that DeeZee crossover toolbox. Don't forget the mounting brackets. The bars may be universal lengths, but the mounting brackets are custom fit for each application and installed into the factory holes without drilling. You will then slide the step into the slot on the bars, find the placement you want, and then tighten the included bolts. And the best thing, if you don't like where the step is, you can always move it again. If you're interested in purchasing the DeeZee Hex bed access steps, or you need help with installation, please check out our store locator in the description below or on screen. And don't forget to subscribe for new product videos each week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on In the Garage.